In this video, I will be showing you how to fix can't verify in AdSense. Well, for you to be able to get verified in AdSense, of course, you must submit the three valid IDs. We have passport, national ID, driver's license, or any government IDs. So in order for you to be verified in AdSense, of course, you must submit one of these following IDs. Now, if you don't have any of these IDs or you don't have, valid ID or documents to submit, and you wanted someone to, or you wanted to use someone or someone's ID or identity in order for you to be or get verified in AdSense, yes, you can do that. But you have to make some changes in your settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. And if you want to know more about how to fix can't get verified in AdSense, so you can go to Google web browser and try to search this one, how to get verified or how to get verified in AdSense. Then all you have to do is to click any of the sites here that may help you and how to fix that one. But now I'm gonna show you how to get verified or fix this one like what I said earlier. So all you have to do is to log into your AdSense account. This is what it looks like. Now go to account and then kindly tap payment information. Now you need to scroll down and look for manage settings. So this is what it looks like. Now you have to scroll down again, go to payments profile and go to name and address. All you have to do is to change your name here if you don't have valid ID or if you don't have valid address or whatsoever and you want to use someone's identity to get verified. So all you have to do is to edit everything here, the name, the address, the city, everything here, even the phone number. And then once done, all you have to do is to click save. So once you're done editing everything here, so all you have to do is submit valid documents using the name under this Google AdSense. So just submit and so after making some changes with your name and after submitting valid documents, all you have to do now is to resend your PIN. Now, you can see it right here, verify your identity, but actually, I have done my verification, so I can't do that here. But you can, enter your PIN to verify your address. All you have to do is to click this learn more in order for you to know the next step, like enter your PIN, verify your address, and so on. So if you change your PIN, if you reset your PIN, or if you make some changes with your address where they can send you your PIN, then everything is okay now. Now, a little bit information about this one. Though it's publisher advertising network, Google AdSense has transformed a lot of lives in recent years. However, Google frequently releases improvements that in some way impact publishers and actively encourages them to, follow the platform rules. Google switched from PIN address verification, which was issued to publishers' addresses after registration, to identify verification during the last few years. Now, Google likely aimed to limit account ownership transfers and discourage users from having numerous Google accounts. Okay, so as a result, Google gives both old and new publishers that have not verified their Google AdSense account to use government ID card to verify their address, license, driver's license, and other valid IDs. After the three attempts and you receive an email that your account verification failed, Google will stop receiving ads on your site while the account will still be active. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.